Hello everyone, I'm Mallikarjun Appani, a technical architect and Microsoft certified trainer with expertise in Azure Data Engineering, Microsoft Fabric, and artificial intelligence. I work on designing enterprise scale data and AI platforms, and I'm passionate about helping professionals build strong careers in data engineering and modern data technologies. Today we are going to discuss on data engineering and why we need data engineering, where data engineering is used in industries, who can learn data engineering, jobs, roles, and salaries, roadmap to become a data engineer, modules covered in this course, projects, and hands-on learning. Today, every organization in the world runs on data, from Netflix recommendations to banking fraud detection, healthcare analytics, and e-commerce platforms. Data plays a critical role in decision making. However, raw data alone is not useful. Organizations need systems that can collect, process, transform, and store data efficiently so that it can be used for analytics, business intelligence, and artificial intelligence applications. And that is exactly where data engineering comes in. What is data engineering? Data engineering is the process of designing and building data pipelines and data platforms that move data from various source systems into structured environments for analytics. In simple terms, data engineering builds infrastructure that powers data-driven organizations. Typically, these systems involve technologies such as data pipelines, ELT or ETL processing, data lake environments, data warehouses, cloud data platforms, distributed data processing engines. Why data engineering is important? Today, organizations generate massive volumes of data every second, but raw data is often unstructured, incomplete, and spread across multiple sources. Data engineers help build scalable data architectures that clean, transform, and organize data so it can be used effectively. Without data engineering, analytics cannot function properly. AI and machine learning models cannot be built. Businesses cannot make data-driven decisions. In simple terms, data engineering is the foundation of modern analytics and AI systems. What all industries use data engineering? Data engineering is used across almost every industry today. For example, in healthcare, it helps with patient analytics and medical research. In banking and finance, it enables fraud detection and risk analytics. In retail and e-commerce, it powers recommendation systems and customer analytics. In telecommunications, it helps monitor networks and analyze customer behavior. In manufacturing, it processes IoT and operational data. Major companies such as Amazon, Netflix, Uber, Google, and Microsoft rely heavily on data engineering to power their platforms. Who all can learn data engineering? Data engineering is an excellent career path for many professionals. Let me start with fresh graduates in technology, IT professionals, BI developers, data analysts, database developers, software developers. With right learning roadmap and practical expertise, anyone can transition into a data engineering role. How are jobs and career opportunities in data engineering? Some of the common job roles in this field include a data engineer, cloud data engineer, big data engineer, analytics engineer, data platform engineer, fabric engineer. So all this comes under data engineering part. Data engineering is currently one of the most in-demand careers in the technology industry. In India, salaries typically range from 8 lakhs per annum to 40 lakhs per annum, depending on expertise. Globally distributed data engineers or experienced data engineers can earn somewhere roughly near 1,10,000 US dollars to 1,80,000 US dollars per year. So let's start to know about the roadmap of a data engineer. The image which you are seeing in my screen, which is a typical data engineering platform where you can see all the technologies which I'm going to cover in the course are listed here. First, the journey has to start from SQL and database fundamentals. Next, we have to learn Python for data processing. We have to learn ETL or ELT pipelines for data integration techniques. After that, you have to explore data warehousing concepts, big data technologies. Then you have to learn any of one cloud, which is Azure or AWS or GCP. As our course covers on Azure Data Engineering, we'll be learning about Databricks, Snowflake, and Microsoft Fabric. Modules covered in this course. Some of the key modules: data engineering fundamentals, SQL for data engineering, Python for data engineering, ETL and data pipeline developments, data warehousing concepts, cloud data platforms, big data processing, and modern data architecture. We will also have 5 hands-on projects which will help you to crack a job, developing ETL pipelines using cloud data tools like Azure Data Factory, implementing Medallion architecture with bronze, silver, and gold layers in Microsoft Fabric, creating real-time data processing pipelines, building analytics dashboards using Power BI and Lakehouse. We also discuss on doing Medallion architecture on ADF, Databricks, and Power BI combination. So we have very good projects. And finally, I wanted to conclude, if you wanted to build a career in one of the fastest growing fields in the technology, data engineering is an excellent choice. This program focuses on industry tools, hands-on projects, and real-world architecture to prepare you modern data engineering roles. Join us today and start your journey into the exciting world of data engineering and modern data platforms. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day and see you all soon as part of my data engineering projects.